Naghahanap po ba kayo ng property na accessible to Metro Manila, complete finish ang house upon turnover, at may complete amenities din? Well, stop your searching dahil nanditong lahat yan sa Hamilton Executive Residences. Hello, I am Catherine Enrico, accredited and registered real estate salesperson, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Real Trust PH. Today, nandito po ako sa Imus, Cavite to feature our newest project, Hamilton Executive Residences, and their one-of-a-kind Amanda Townhouse model. For the details of the project, Hamilton Executive Residences is strategically located at Malagasang 2E, Imus, Cavite. It is owned and developed by Durable Realty and Development Corporation. As of now, nasa pre-selling stage po siya, kaya wala pa pong nakatayo, and approximately 2 years ang turnover ng mga units. Ang total land area po ng project development is 8 hectares at magkakaroon po ng 809 numbers of units and households. Hamilton Executive Residences features leisure amenities like covered basketball court, fully air-conditioned clubhouse, 18-meter slab pool, and for the kids, it will also have a kiddie pool. Welcome to Hamilton Executive Residences. Dito po available ang Amanda House model. Amanda is a townhouse with a lot area of 54 square meter at meron po itong floor area na 63.25. Complete finish po siya upon turnover. Amanda comes with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 powder room. Available po ang Amanda through bank financing and in-house financing. But before we start, please support our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Paki-hit na rin pa ang notification bell para po manonotify po kayo sa mga susunod kong mga video. So let's start! This is the inner unit or the regular lot ng Amanda model. As you can see, naka-cement finish na po ang kanyang harap that gives us an option para sa car garage. Kasya po dito ang isang sasakyan. Included na din po itong mini landscape or pocket garden para sa mga mahihilig magtanim at meron na din po yung naka-ready na gripo. Yung nakikita po nating concrete fence sa magkabilang gilid, kasama na din po yan. Gate na lang po ang ating ipapagawa. Pasukin po natin ang loob ng Amanda inner unit. So as we come in, we will be greeted by the spacious ground floor. Ang kanyang flooring ay naka-tiles na with 40 by 40 cm na ceramic tiles. Ang kanya pong wall ay may 3 painted coated finish na po. Nasa atin na po kung gusto po nating palitan ng color upon move-in. Dito po sa ground floor ng Amanda inner unit, meron pong 2 sliding glass windows. With grills na din po yan. Ang ceiling po niya ay naka-gypsum board with metal railings. Meron na rin po naka-ready na receptacles para sa ilalagay nating mga bombilya. As we can see, malawak po itong ground floor kaya madali po nating ma-organize ang loob ng bahay. So this space could be the receiving or the living area. On this side naman po could be the dining area. Kasya po dito ang 4 to 6 seater na dining table. Napakaganda, napakalawak. Ang Amanda model po ay may space sa likod. So, puntahan po natin. So, ito pong space na ito, ang pwede natin gawing laundry area or dirty kitchen. Pwede po dito gawin natin ang pagluluto para hindi po maaamoy sa loob ng bahay. So, pasok po ulit tayo sa loob para pakita ko po ang kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area. Ang kanya pong countertop ay naka-granite tiles na, with stainless kitchen sink na rin po yan and a faucet. Kasama na din po pala itong modular kitchen cabinet sa ilalim. As we can see, Amanda has a spacious and elegant kitchen area. So going here naman po ay ang kanyang powder room. Katulad po ng flooring sa ground floor, naka-ceramic tiles na din po siya. Ganito po ang kanyang lavatory sink. With cabinet din po yan. At ito po ang kanyang toilet bowl. So mapapansin po ninyo, wala po siyang shower, kaya po siya tinawag na powder room. So let's go upstairs at ipapakita ko naman po sa inyo ang 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath ni Amanda model. So coming here sa second floor, makikita po natin ang hallway. Going to the 3 bedrooms. Dito po pala sa second floor, naka-vinyl planks na po ang kanyang flooring. So punta po tayo sa bedroom 1. So dito po sa unang bedroom, meron po itong sliding glass window. As we come closer, mapapansin po natin na may extra provision siya for another toilet and bath or a balcony dito sa likod. Meron na rin po pala siyang provision for a window type aircon. Meron na rin pong outlet. Naka-ready na rin po. So, pakita ko naman po sa inyo ang bedroom 2. So, sa bedroom 2, kung mapapansin po ninyo, mas spacious po ito compare sa bedroom 1. Pero same lang po sila na may sliding glass window at provision for aircon. As I've mentioned earlier, dito sa second floor, meron pong 2 toilet and bath. This is the toilet and bath located at the hallway. As we can see, malawak po siya. Kung mapapasin niyo po, yung shower area niya ay from floor to ceiling po ang tiles. While dito po sa toilet bowl area ay half lang. Meron po siyang handheld shower head. Kasama na din po ang exhaust fan sa ceiling, lavatory sink with cabinet, and toilet bowl. So let's go to the last but not the least part of the house, which is the master's bedroom. Ito po ang master's bedroom. It comes with a big window for a good natural source of light and air ventilation ng room. As we can see, napakalawak po niya, napakaganda, at marami po tayong pwedeng gawin at ilagay dito sa room. So the most exciting part of the master's bedroom ay meron po itong sariling toilet and bath. Katulad po ng toilet and bath sa hallway, parehong-pareho po ng itsura niya. Meron din pong handled shower head, lavatory sink with cabinet, and toilet bowl. Mas malaki lang po itong master's toilet at meron din po siyang window. There you have it, our Amanda House model here at Hamilton Executive Residences. Kung meron po kayong mga kaibigan at kamag-anak na naghahanap ng property, please kindly share this video with them. And I hope you find it interested. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan at kung gusto niyo po ng details about this house, please contact me on my details below. Again, thank you for watching. I am Kat Enrico and see us again next time.